Hari ini kita mau cerita tentang I learn about textures. Ditulis oleh Bunda Ari dan tim Cordoba Kids. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Abid is sitting on the beach with cow and horse. They are soaking wet because they have just finished playing in the water. Cow, horse, sand, beach. Abid's father asked Abid if he wants to learn how to scuba dive. Wow, Abid has never tried scuba diving before. Duduk.
Duduk yang sini.
Why are my hands so uneven? Says Abid, looking at his wrinkled hands. That means you are healthy. My teacher said that if our skin is in water too long, the wrinkles are a normal reaction of our nerves, says Hakim, all at once. Catch this bit, says Horse, as he throws a bottle of drinking water to Abid. Abid catches the bottle. Starfish, seashell, sand. 6. Well, because your hands are wrinkled, even though the bottle is wet, it's still not slippery, right? Cloud, says Horse, giving Abid a side glance. Cloud. Yes, you are right, says Abid, nodding his head. Nodding. Amazing, huh? Our skin is awesome. This is our skin anatomy. Because of our skin, we can feel raw skin, smooth, and also hot or cold, explained Hakim eagerly. Baca buku. Abid strokes horseback. Horseback feels so smooth and soft. Not to be outdone, Cow says, my back does too. I've never seen just how beautiful it is under the sea. When diving, I touched a dolphin that swam up to me. Its skin was really slippery, says Abid, still astonished by the experience. I also touched a sea turtle. Its shell is rough. Itu tortoise. Abid. A turtle's raw and hard shell protect it from enemies. Tortoise. Sea turtle. Abid. I also touched a sea turtle. Sea turtle. Its shell raw and as hard as wood. Sea turtle. A turtle's raw and hard shell protect it from enemies. Unlike a tortoise, a sea turtle cannot pull its head and forelegs into its shell when it is threatened, explained Hakim. A hedgehog, it's a hedgehog use its quills to protect itself against threats. I once accidentally got a quill in my foot and it drew blood. Horse chuckles when he hears Cow's story. Hey, let's make a sandcastle. We can show mother and father afterwards, say Horse. They are all busy building the sand. Sekop. The sand at the beach is finer and softer than river sand. Sapi, so it's easy. Walaupun kelihatannya sederhana, ternyata sensory play punya banyak manfaat yang luar biasa loh. Antara lain, mengembangkan imajinasi, mengembangkan saraf untuk kemampuan bahasa dan kosakata anak, mengembangkan rasa empati, bahkan menstimulasi hormon dopamin yang membuat anak-anak merasa tenang dan nyaman. Wah, Masya Allah. Yuk kita mulai kenalkan berbagai sensory play. Main walaupun harus berkotor-kotor. Oke, sekian dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan lupa ya, like, komen, subscribe. Makasih.